Okubikwa ukuthi laba ababili bazidabela imali ebalelwa ku5 million wamarandi eyabe ku-account yoMasipala nokuyinto abangakaze bayidalule kumcwaningi mabhuku. Uphenyo lwamaHAWKS lwaqala nyakenye.
It's also further alleged that the funds were sort of used in a way that they appear that they were used on behalf of the municipality. However, documents were falsified, invoices allegedly were falsified to show as proof that there were services rendered to the municipality.
iDA kanye nenhlangano iSANCO bakushayele ihlombe ukuboshwa kwalaba babili.
This is really peanuts, it's small. But this is an excellent start, and we hope that from now on that from the officials will come forward and testify and provide information.
Those that are implicated in the case that are still within the institution, we expect the administrator to suspend them.
Abasolo badedelwe ngesexwayiso kanti bazophinde bavele futhi eNkantolo mhla lulunye kuzibandlela lusaqhubeka uphenyo ngaleli cala labo.